I am Ananya Banerjee and I am making something very yummy today. Salted caramel sauce. It's not a recipe per se, but you can use this in various ways. Heat the pan, add some water and sugar. Now slowly let the sugar melt in the water. See, we are almost there. It's a beautiful caramel color coming. I can smell it, but still not the desired color what I'm looking for. Nice. Stage, I'll add my butter. Ah, the smell. I will add the cream. And my beautiful toffee sauce or caramel sauce or salted caramel sauce, whatever name you call it, is ready. If you are using unsalted butter for the sauce, I would advise that you add a pinch of salt to it, because salt gives that extra zing to the sauce. Just pour it in a glass bottle. It looks like liquid gold. This is going to last in your fridge for months together, but I promise it's not going to last so long because you're going to finish it. So if you have liked this video, do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.